Hello, my name is Nadine and today we are at the Crafters Workshop booth, and I am going to be demoing one of their new stencils and also the new super thick gel. As you can see, it is super thick. And also some of the Ken Oliver's color spray. And so I'll be using those. Let's see, I'm going to do like an ombre look. I already have some out over here of the gel. You just tap this, which is very, very little that you need. You can't even really see it coming out. It's just a powder. And you can see it mixing in a little bit more. Now, there we go. That's a little bit darker. And then I'm just going to do this Dragonfly here. This is a new digital butterfly. Let's go through the middle. I'm going to create an ombre look. And this is Chartreuse. Don't know if I said that already. And now I'm going to use, let's see, the Cerulean blue.
Cerulean.
Aha, that works too. This one you can see a little bit better. So you can just see how it's just a little bit of powder going in there. Spread that out through the outside of the wings.
Pretty.
There you go. And I did this the same with a orange and a yellow. And then there's another one right here. This is with a green and one of the teals.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos for all the Creativation 2020 coverage.